Do you agree to the fact that writing is a form of sheer art, whether it is SEO-based content, a blog post, or a feature article? You are completely right if you answer in the affirmative. Writing is one of the highest art forms on planet Earth. Though writing is an art form, it is a sub-form of science as well. There are a bunch of rules and tips that the experienced writers use while writing any type of content. You have to understand clearly that just writing about a topic is not enough to sell the pitch to your readers. Some regulations are to be maintained to make your writing appealing enough. Starting to learn a new thing is never easy. You will make mistakes the first few months of your writing career, as most of the writers did. As they say, failing is the first step towards success. This is a fact, not a fiction or junk philosophy. We, the writer community of Softnmart, call these tips the writer's checklist. Now, let's see in the upcoming videos what these special spices of tips, also known as the writer's checklist, are that make the contents of Softnmart so spicy/juicy to the readers.